I'm going to continue saying in Maltese and in English, so you learn. You hear the Maltese language too, not only the English, but don't worry, I will be saying it in English too. As you kif qed taraw il-qarabagħli neħħejtlu l-mili minn ġo fih bli marfa kull mużajti marfa u lajtlu l-mili minn ġo fih. Issa ġo fih hawnhekk se nitfgħu il-mili li ħanagħmel. U dan li qlajna minn ġo l-qarabagħli dak stess se nużawh għal mal-mili tal-qarabagħli. So now I'm going to repeat in English. As you have seen, I took off from the Marrows. I took these off. I used a spoon, a spoon. I used a spoon. I took these off. These we're going to use them. We're going to use them with the mixture of meat that I'm going to make. So don't throw them away. And then we're going to fill the marrows. We're going to fill them. Issa hawnhekk lestejt il-basal, it-tewm u ftit bżar aħmar. Qattajthom biex issa mbagħad naqlihom. Here I already prepared the onions. Onions is basal in Maltese. Onions, basal. I prepared the onions, garlic it's tewm in Maltese. The garlic and red peppers. And red pepper in Maltese, it's bżar aħmar. Bżar, that is pepper, aħmar, it's red. So, as I told you, I prepared the onions, the garlic, and the red peppers. Wara ħanitfa' l-laħam bħala laħam jiena nuża. Xtrajt li kapuljat tal-laħam taċ-ċanga u laħam tal-majjal. U iħallathom li flimkien, ikkapuljat ta' ċanga u kapuljat tal-majjal, imħallat flimkien. So for meat I'm going to use beef, in Maltese we say laħam ta' ċanga, and pork, majjal, minced pork and minced beef. Tfajt il-laħam ħajkompli jsir mal-basal u l-bżar u t-tewm ħajqgħod isir bil-mod. So now I added the meat to the onions and the garlic and red peppers, so they continue to fry together. Rajt ukoll dak il-mili tal-qarabagħli li neħħejt mill-qarabagħli biex ikompli jsir ma' kollox. Now I added what we took off from the marrows. The fillings of the marrows, I added them with the meat and the mixture, so they continue to cook with them. Se nitfa' ftit bżar. So I added some pepper. So pepper in Maltese, it's bżar. Pepper, bżar. Se nitfa' ftit paprika. I added a bit of paprika. In Maltese we say paprika too. U ftit satar. Se nitfa' ftit satar. I'm throwing now some thyme. So in Maltese, thyme it's satar. Thyme, satar. Tfajt ukoll ftit ketchup. I also added some ketchup. Kif qed taraw kważi lest, sar kollox. Issa ser nitfa' ftit ġobon tal-ħakk. As you can see, it's almost ready, and I put some grated cheese. I added some grated cheese. Ġobon tal-ħakk. Ġobon it's cheese. Grated ħakk. Maħkuk. Ġobon tal-ħakk. Fajt ukoll bajda. I added an egg to the mixture too. Egg, it's bajda in Maltese. Egg, bajda. And you mix well. You mix it well. Se nitfgħu wkoll ftit tursin. I am going to add some parsley. Tursin, parsley. So parsley, in Maltese it's tursin. Kif taraw il-mili u lest. As you can see, the filling for the marrows is ready. Ġod-dish għamilt ftit patata. Fuq tfajtilha naqa' satar, naqa' bżar u naqra żejt. So in the dish I added some potatoes. On them I put some pepper, thyme and some oil. Issa se nibda nimla l-qarabagħli bil-mili li għamilna. Now I'm going to start and fill the marrows with the mixture that we made. So continue filling the marrows. Kif qed taraw lesti mlejthom issa fuq. Se nagħmlilhom ftit ġobon cheddar. As you can see, they are ready filled, and I'm going to put some cheddar on top of them. And then you just bake them in the oven. Imbagħad kemm issajruhom fil-forn. U kif qed taraw il-qarabagħli issa sar. And as you can see, the marrows are ready. L-ikla tajba. Buon appetit!